Hello everyone, welcome to this course on design with Canva. First of all, definitely thank you for enrolling on this course and great to have you on board. So let's get started. Canva is a graphic design platform used to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents, and other visual contents. This app is basically free to use but offers paid subscriptions like the Canva Pro or Canva for Enterprises for additional functionality. I have made sure this course to be a no buzz killer for anyone. Your time is valuable and definitely I respect that. So without wasting anyone's time, let's jump right in our course. So let's see what we'll learn through this course. The first is basically the major fundamental thing on this course to be taught is about designing, and on that designing portion we are focusing more towards the social media design aspect. Further, why is this course is for entrepreneurs, freelancers and online money makers. So if you are on your journey of entrepreneurship, freelancing or making money online through the use of Canva or designing as a whole, then this course is right for you. And I'm going to show you how your entrepreneurship, freelancing or money making using Canva can be a profitable skill, and how and where you can monetize your skill. So with this Canva course, we are going to majorly focus on these three items. So let's get started. Let's get to know what will be taught here. So let's walk through the nook and corner of this course. So basically in the first few lectures or first chapter, we'll be talking about the fundamentals of Canva. So the Canva fundamentals, will walk through the nook and corner of the dashboard, and everything will be taught step by step in order for you to get to know about every aspects of Canva and every services that Canva can provide to you. And basically you can, after learning Canva fundamentals, you would be able to navigate through the dashboard easily without any problem. The second and probably the important one is about the design fundamentals. You will learn how to choose the right fonts, right colors and images to make your design stand out from the rest. I'll be explaining the things that will come picture clear, that will help you understand those design fundamentals to you. Your design comes to colors, fonts, pictures and graphics. All about these are what make a design fundamentally attractive and right to use. Also, in this fundamental lecture, I'll be teaching more about the tips and tricks that can be used during Canva. So basically, I'll be teaching you whatever you are seeing right now and whatever those tricks which I use in my daily life for this Canva works, and I hope you'll enjoy this. Next to this, I'll be teaching about the Facebook and what we can do in Facebook through our Canva. So I'll be teaching about the advertisements that can be done in Facebook, and we'll be making that through Canva. Moreover, we'll be making some Facebook cover using the Canva. If you have a brand, then making a cover is probably an important, and if you are a freelancing entrepreneurs, then definitely you'll get to a lot of requests to make these Facebook covers and Facebook sponsored advertisement contents. So using Canva, we'll learn those. Definitely this is an important task because in my freelancing journey also I have seen most of the time I'm being asked to create either Facebook cover or advertisement. And next, what's most important is probably the YouTube one. So you learn to create your YouTube thumbnails, your YouTube cover art. Basically these would cover your YouTube works. So even for YouTube purpose, designing is important. And you might have, if you are a freelancer or you have a YouTube journey, you are a content creator, then this is the right way to move forward. And if you are not those, then you can learn these skills to help someone to move forward in this way. And the next we'll learn is about Instagram. And trust me, creating these Instagram posts is actually a good way to earn money. So you'll get to create some of the inspirational quote. Probably you have seen those, and some of those infographic posts using the Canva, and some classy posts which you'll learn during our Instagram lecture. Moving forward, we'll also learn about Twitter. Although Twitter is more about text, but nowadays brands are more focusing on creating designs and visual content on Twitter as well. So we'll be covering some of those Twitter posting, some of the Twitter header, and things like that. And finally, and probably the most important one, because of which we all are here, is how we will be able to make money through our Canva journey or through the graphic design journey. So basically, you saw we are focusing more towards the social media design aspect, and I'll be showing you how using these social media designs and where using these skills you can go and make your skills monetizable, make you leverage your skills and definitely monetize them to probably have a decent online earning route. So definitely, without wasting any time, let's get started. So if you have seen this presentation, I created this as well using Canva. So in the next lecture, I'll be teaching you how we'll be doing this, and I hope you get enrolled and I hope you join until the end of this course. I'll see you on the next lecture now. Thank you.